Your right hand, only right hand. Just touch. Touch now. Start going up, upstairs. Yes. Go. Yes. 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 Just don't use both the hands. Yes. Just feel. No need to touch. No need to lie down. Right. Just touch it. Okay. Go. Go. Go up. Go up. Now turn and come back. Turn and come back. Now use your, which hand you will use? Yes, left one, yes. Come. Come down. Just feel the stairs and come down. Come, yes, come. Hey, again you are using both hands. Come, yes. Come down. Again go up. Go upstairs. Turn and go upstairs. Turn, yes. Now use your right hand. Go up. Lift your leg up. Go. Okay. Now step again. Go 3 steps ahead. Turn back. Yes. Go 3 steps. No, that side. Yes. Feel with your right hand. Go. No. Just come left. Okay. Again move forward to your front. Yes. Now use your right hand. Yes. Now go up. Try to climb up. Go. Medans. Go upstairs. Yes. Go. Yes. Very good, Medans. Very good. Go up. Make your body straight. Yes. Just feel it. No need to hold it. Now again turn back. Come down. Use only your left hand to feel the railing only, okay? Just feel it. Don't try to hold. Come down, yes. Come down. Yes, come. Come again. Come, Medans, come. Okay, again walk 3-4 steps and feel with your left hand. You'll get something. Now come down. Now again start coming down. Yes. Come. Yes. इधर से जाओ आप लोग. लेफ्ट से जाओ. Yes. Come, Medans. Come down. Yes. Come down. Come. So this is how you need to teach visually impaired. Medans is a meritorious student, but he has little bit lack of mobility and all. उसको थोड़ा सा अभी चलने में दिक्कत हो रहा है, लेकिन वो एक्सपर्ट हो जाएगा कुछ दिनों में. Medans, now turn to your left. Now start walking. It's plain now, huh? Start walking. Walk fast. Walk properly. Yes. Good. Very good. Just feel the road and keep walking. Don't slow down. Keep walking. Now turn back. Walk this side. Yes. Make your posture correct. Yes. Walk properly. Yes. Very good. Keep on walking. Okay, again turn back. Walk. Go. Keep going. Yes. Keep going. So why are you going that side? Walk on the road. Keep walking. Yes, keep walking. Medans. So this is how we train Now after some time he'll be good. Some more to your right. To your right. Move to your right. No, don't turn. Move to your right. Right. Where is your right? Ah, yes. Yes, move right. Move right. And now walk. Walk. तो जैसे जैसे मैदान सभी थोड़ा सा फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ करेगा उसका पोस्चर भी सही होगा और उसके बाद में उसका जो अभी लेग लेंथ है और उसके लेग लेंथ नहीं स्ट्रेंथ जो है वो भी इम्प्रूव होगी। जैसे उसके एंकल की स्ट्रेंथ इम्प्रूव होगी तो हर चीज़ अपने आप सही होता चला जाएगा।